This 5-minute solution will show you how to schedule Facebook group post. Follow these easy steps to easily schedule post in your Facebook group. First of all, make sure you have the permissions to schedule or post something on the group. So right now I'm in my group, and now let's create a post here. And now to schedule this post, tapping on schedule, and now select the date for scheduling the post and select a time. Once done, tap on save. Now tap on schedule at the top right, and that's it. As you can see, the post has been successfully scheduled. So this is how we can easily schedule a post on Facebook group. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.